Good morning. Okay, it is our honor for me to meet you here. And today, I will present about L2TP or IPsec in Mikrotik. But before that, I will introduce myself first. My name is Raffi Noval. I'm 16 years old, and I'm a student in State Vocational High School 1 in Bekasi. And I'm also a student at Pesantren Antokars. And for certificate, I have MTCNA, MTCRE, and MTCINE. And in Indonesia, I'm as a marketing consultant, and I'm also a network trainer at Indra Training Center. And this is my school, State Vocational High School 1 in Bekasi. Bekasi is near from Jakarta, and Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. And so maybe some days you come to Jakarta, you can come to my school. And this is our networking class. In the first picture, this picture is taken when we practice about dynamic routing. And the second picture is taken when we practice about wireless point-to-point. And we practice about we practice using magnetic device. And then next, this is Rumah Ngoprek. We learn in there. This is like an extracurricular in our school. We learn in Saturday and Sunday. So we didn't have a holiday for a week. We always learn about Mikrotik. In there we learn Mikrotik, yeah, using real device, router board 951 series. And this is Pesantren Dockers. Pesantren Dockers is a program for ID networkers that prepare for young networkers in Indonesia. In there, we learn about networking, not only Mikrotik device, but the other devices we learn in there. And we also make a book. This is this is our book that we have made. This is from Pesantren Networkers, and the topic is about networking. And this is from sysadmin program, and this is about server. And okay, today we will learn about L2TP. But before we learn about L2TP, we will learn about VPN. So what is VPN? VPN is a virtual private network. That VPN is a network technology that allow you to make a secure connection in a public network. It means you can make your private network in a public network, and this is a secure connection. And how VPN work? Okay, if we use VPN, your private network will be encrypted by a tunnel. Okay, VPN is work using a tunnel. It depends. For the tunnel, it depends what the tunnel that you use. And in here, I will use L2TP. Okay, first VPN client will do the dial up to VPN server. After that dial up is approved by VPN server, VPN server will make a tunnel with client. And after make a tunnel, VPN server will give a client an address. That address is private network between client and VPN server. So this is private network. And if the client wanna go to the internet, client traffic will be routed first to VPN server. After that, VPN server will be forward your traffic into internet. And this is a private connection because a tunnel will be encrypt your traffic in internet. And then this is an advantage if we use VPN. First, your ISP didn't know what you get up on the internet. Your ISP didn't know your traffic, but your ISP just know that you connect to VPN server. And second, you appear to access the internet from the IP address of VPN server. In this case, for the example, you have an address and you connect to VPN server. VPN server is located in public network, right? And if you connect the VPN server, your traffic will be routed first to VPN server. So the client will be use the IP address of VPN server if connected to internet. So the internet will be identify you by the address of VPN server. And then the third, safe to use a public Wi-Fi hotspot. This is because if we using VPN, your packet will be encrypted, and just you and VPN server that know your traffic to internet. And next, this is this disadvantage if we use VPN. Your internet will be slowed down. This is because if we use VPN, your packet if go to the tunnel, if client wanna go to the internet, that packet request will be encrypted first by a tunnel, and after encrypted, it will be sent using the tunnel to VPN server. After reach VPN server, in VPN server, your packet will be decrypted by the VPN server, and after that, your packet will be forwarded to internet. And if internet send the packet will send to the will send the packet to the client, VPN server will be encrypt first your packet, and after that in client will be decrypt again that packet. So that's why if we use VPN, your internet will be slowed down. Okay, we will learn about L2TP. So what is L2TP? L2TP is method that you can use to make a tunnel for your VPN. It means using L2TP. It means if you wanna use VPN, there must be a tunnel because VPN is inside the tunnel. So without the tunnel, you can make your private network in a public network. And this is if L2TP combined with IPsec. Okay, this is encryption in VPN. First, your traffic request from the client will be encapsulated to be PPP frames. After encapsulate with PPP frames, L2TP will be encrypt that PPP frames if PPP frames sent to the server. And if we combine IPsec in L2TP, IPsec will be encrypt again your L2TP, and this is provide more security for your network. Okay, now we will go to the configuration. This is topology, and this is for L2TP configuration. First, you must make an IP pool for your network. This IP pool will be used for your VPN network. Will be used for your private network. In here, for the address, we will use address 100.1 until 100.5. And after we make an IP pool, we define in PPP profile. PPP profile is point-to-point protocol profile. In here, because we want to use a tunnel, so we must define in PPP profile. We define that local address for VPN server is an address that we have met before, and remote address we use an IP pool that we have met before. And then because we wanna provide more security for our network, we define that encryption in PPP is used by the tunnel. Okay, next, this is L2TP configuration. First, you must define that L2TP is enabled because we want to use L2TP. After that, we use we use L2TP profile that we have made before. It will be used that address that we have made before. And because we wanna combine L2TP with IPsec, so we must define that in here IPsec is required by L2TP, and this is secret for authentication for IPsec. And then this is PPP secret. PPP secret is like an authentication in L2TP. So if the client wanna connect to VPN server, the client will be use this authentication to connect to L2TP. In here, this is the username that we will give to the client, and there is a password. This will be used for tunneling authentication, and we must define what service that secret will be used. In here, because we wanna use L2TP, so we define in here that service is L2TP, and we define again L2TP profile in the profile PPP profile. And after that, because we want to combine IPsec with L2TP, so we must define first IPsec proposal. IPsec proposal is like algorithm. We define an algorithm in IPsec proposal. We define algorithm that we will use for L2TP in IPsec proposal. In here, we configure authentication algorithm and encryption algorithm that IPsec will use. After that, we configure IPsec peer. In here, for address, we define that public network can use an IPsec. And for authentication mode, we use preset key. And we must define again that secret that L2TP use. And next, still in IPsec peer, go to the tab Advanced. First, we configure police template group. For police template group, we use default template group, and we must define again for encryption and IPsec. And this is IPsec police. We define again that a public network can use IPsec police. In here, you can see search address. Search address is defined a public network, and for destination address, yes, public network too. And still in IPsec police, we must configure for action because we wanna use IPsec to encrypt our tunnel. So this action is encrypt. We must define that action that IPsec will do is encrypt our tunnel. And this is public network, and this is proposal that we have made before. Okay, in here we want to make Android phone to connect the VPN server, so we want to configure an Android. In Android, for default there is a VPN service, so you can use in setting and wireless and networks. There's a VPN. You configure a VPN to make a dial up to server in here and add VPN network. After that, this is for name, and this is the server address that VPN server use. This is public address of VPN server, and this is just optional. This is optional, and in here we define that preset key, IPsec preset key that we have made before. Okay, PVP profile, sorry, VPN profile have been made. After that, we connect to VPN server using this profile. For username, we use secret. We use user and password that we have configured in PVP secret. In here, for user, we use rumah ngoprek, and for password as one vocational. And if Android client connected to VPN server, it will be shown like this. There is a session that connected, and this is duration, how long L2TP run, and you can see this traffic that you use using tunnel. Okay, this is for verification and MikroTik Router OS. You can see in PPP active connection. In here, you can see there is a client who connect using PPP secret that we have made before. This is caller ID. Caller ID like public network, public address from Android. And this is an address. This is private address that VPN server give to Android client. And you can see how long PPP secret run. Not only in PPP, we can see in IPsec peers. In here, you can see what public address that use IPsec. And in here, for verification, because our virtual private network has been made, so we connect using VPN address, your private address. This is router address, and for login using default. If connected, you can remote your router using VPN address. Okay, if you want to discuss about network, you can contact me in here. And I think that's all for me. There's a question. Okay, thanks for your good attention. Yes, thank you very much.